Hello, people of the internet, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for checking out this very special project of mine. My grandmother recently moved into a nursing home, and my wife and I were fortunate enough to purchase her house. The house has a porch all the way across the front of it, and this old cast iron bench sat on the porch for as long as I can remember. While I don't particularly love the little Cupid angels on it, there's no way I would get rid of this bench because it has way too much sentimental value. I spent so much time sitting on this bench with my grandmother and doing all sorts of things, from eating homemade pistachio pudding popsicles to planting flower pots, setting up Christmas decorations, or even gluing a statue back together that broke into 1,000 different pieces. It was all done sitting on this bench. Now this bench obviously started to wear over the years, and Grandma tried to spruce it up with some craft paint and a questionable rattle can paint job, but I wanted to give this thing a proper restoration to pay tribute to my grandmother. The wood is getting replaced with new red maple planks that came from a tree on my property and I milled myself on my sawmill. The paint is just matte black Rust-Oleum from a rattle can, and you can actually get a really nice paint job from a rattle can if you do the right prep. I didn't use any primer on this, but I cleaned the cast iron really well with a wire brush and made sure there was no dust or anything on it before I painted. I made sure to run my 1/4-inch roundover bit on all the planks and to sand everything really well. I definitely don't want any splinters in the butt. The boards are all treated with 2 coats of Thompson Water Seal, and the reassembly process went pretty well with all new hardware. Well, here is the finished product. I'm very happy with it, and I think it's a great tribute to all the memories that I shared with my grandmother on this bench over the years. The thing is as good as new and will spend many, many years sitting on my front porch. If you enjoyed this video, you can check out more like it on my channel, and if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll get notified when I post a new video, which is most weekends. Be sure to leave a comment because it really helps out my video, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.